Hey guys, so if you run a clinic or really any local business, let me show you the effective way to track your numbers in terms of marketing and sales so you can actually read the numbers and use it to grow profitably. Now, here's an example of my clients. I work with so many clients. We use this exact tracking system to scale in a very effective way. Now, I'm gonna show you the data in a bit, but essentially guys, when you use the tracking correctly, you can track things like how many leads, what is your spending, cost per lead, your booked appointment, your cost per appointment, show up, cost per show up, number of care plan or number of packages upsold, the percentage, revenue, profit, ROI, and guys, really that's all you need, right? So by knowing these numbers, for example, knowing your cost per show, cost per acquisition of a patient, booking rate, all of that, guys, you can do a lot of financial projection and scale and know your numbers around. Now, it's actually pretty easy. I do have a template down in the description link down below, or you can click on my Instagram down below and send me a DM and I'll send you over a free template. But essentially, guys, this is the Google Sheet. Now, it looks a bit messy, so just bear with me. But essentially, we use an automated system, or you can pretty much input manually. We want to track, the time that the lead comes in, the date, name, phone number, email, what offer did they claim, maybe a little bit about their condition, so you know what condition that they're having, additional information. And if you have many branches, you can also put the branch that they wanted to come. And guys, these are sales column. So you see here, like if your sales team made a phone call, check the box. If they book, check the box. If they showed up, check the box. If they purchase a package, check the box. And then sales amount, so in this case you see this 4.5, 3,000, and etc. So all of these data right here, we use a formula. So you see here like this count A formula, sum, count A. So guys, again, there's a template down below, but we use this system to track exactly the accurate amount. Let me show you another example as well. Also the same exact structure as well. You see we put all the leads information right here, and then simply the sales team can essentially just use it to kind of track the leads and conversions. Pretty simple as that. You see here all the sales amount, conversion, all of that, and we can ultimately track, like earlier, the number of leads, appointments, show up, care plans or packages upsold, revenue, profit. All right, so guys, that's really all the number that you need. And with so for example, you know that, oh, for my clinic we pay $20 a lead, we generally get about 28% in booking rate, we get 92% show up rate. So all these numbers, assuming it's very consistent, you can pretty much spend more money, double your ad spend, scale it up, open new branches. So these number gives you a very, basically you're not blind when it comes to scaling. Okay, so guys, that's pretty helpful. Yeah, feel free to kind of click the link down below for the free template. Hopefully it's helpful. Again, I recommend you to really use tracking, because tracking is very important for you to scale profitably. Hope you find the video is helpful. If you want a free training exactly how to scale your clinic or local business profitably, I made a full comprehensive training about ads, funnel, sales, everything in the link down below, or click my channel for more helpful video as well. Thanks for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.